Hi, I'm Leah from Rampley & Co, and today I'm joined by fashion consultant Chris Modo for our Details series. So Chris, what is your opinion on lint rollers?
Do not use them. The problem with a lint roller is that they remove lint from the garment by having glue on the outside, which means when you use them and you roll them onto the garment, you're actually leaving a residue of glue into the wool of the fabric, which will mat the fabric and make it more prone to attracting lint in future. So it becomes a self-fulfilling prophecy. Much better to use a good quality traditional brush to brush your clothing, which doesn't harm the fabric and actually mean it will need less dry cleaning and last longer.
If you have any questions regarding any of our products, please email us at info@rampleyandco.com and we'll be happy to help. Also, please subscribe to our YouTube channel for future videos on men's styling and product features.